Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds AirPods Pro 3. You have to start by open settings and then tap at your earbuds line in the settings. So you'll find this line if your headphones connected to your phone. Tap on it, then scroll down, and right here we have version. Tap at this line and you can check it right here. And you cannot check software version for these earbuds on your Android device, because on Android we haven't dedicated app, so we cannot use the app to check it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!